Listen and practice.
On a bright Monday morning, I nervously embarked on an exciting adventure, my very first day at school. As I approached the tall building, my heart pounded in my chest, and butterflies fluttered in my stomach. The school's gates welcomed me with open arms, and my parents bid me farewell with reassuring smiles. Inside the school, I met my friendly teacher, Mrs. Johnson, who had a warm demeanor that put me at ease. She introduced me to my new classmates, and they greeted me with genuine curiosity. The classroom buzzed with excitement, and I felt a sense of belonging. As the day unfolded, we engaged in various activities, from learning the alphabet to making colorful artwork. During break time, I joined a group of kids playing tag in the playground, and we quickly became fast friends. Lunchtime arrived, and I sat at a long table with my lunchbox, feeling a bit unsure about eating amidst so many new faces. To my delight, a kind girl named Emily invited me to sit with her group, and they gladly accepted me as part of their lunchtime circle. As the day progressed, I felt a growing sense of confidence. I raised my hand to answer questions, shared my ideas during discussions, and participated in class activities. The teachers praised my efforts, and my classmates cheered me on. In the afternoon, we had a fun show-and-tell session. I brought my favorite stuffed animal, a teddy bear named Charlie. As I held Charlie in my arms, I told the class how special he was to me and shared the story of how I got him as a gift from my grandmother. The class listened attentively and applauded my presentation. As the school day came to an end, I realized that my first day at school had been an unforgettable experience. I had made new friends, learned exciting things, and discovered that school was not as scary as I had imagined. With a smile on my face and excitement in my heart, I walked out of the school gates, knowing that this was just the beginning of an incredible journey of learning, growth, and friendship. The memories of my first day at school would forever hold a special place in my heart, marking the start of a chapter filled with endless possibilities.
English speaking practice.
Hi there, how's your day going? What's your name?
Hello, I'm doing fine, thanks. My name is Sarah. And you?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Sarah. How old are you?
Nice to meet you too, Alex. I'm 25 years old. How about you?
I'm 28, so what's your nationality?
I'm from the United States. How about you?
I'm from Canada. That's cool. What do you do for a living, Sarah?
I work as a graphic designer. How about you, Alex?
I'm a software engineer. That's interesting. Are you currently studying or have you finished school?
I finished school a couple of years ago. How about you?
I graduated a while back too. So, Sarah, what languages do you speak?
I speak English and a bit of Spanish. How about you, Alex?
I speak English and French. That's neat. Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, my favorite color is blue. What about you, Alex?
My favorite color is green. Cool choice. Lastly, do you have any hobbies or interests?
I enjoy painting and playing the guitar. How about you?
I like hiking and playing video games. That's awesome. It was great getting to know you, Sarah.
Likewise, Alex. Thanks for the chat.
Daily routine vocabulary.
Wake up. Get out of bed. Brush teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Make the bed. Vacuum the floor. Do the laundry. Iron clothes. Prepare meals. Set the table. Wash the dishes. Water the plants. Watch TV. Read a book. Work, study from home. Take a break. Relax on the sofa. Exercise at home. Use the computer. Go to bed.